So I am no chainsaw expert, as I have said in a number of previous videos. I learn a little bit every time I go out. I learn from the comments I get, and I also learn from different YouTube videos that I watch. But what I can comment on is files. With 40 plus years experience as a general machinist, I've done my share of filing. So let's talk a little bit about your chainsaw file. It is, of course, important to have the right one, but it's also important to know when that file isn't any good anymore. So one of the biggest enemies of a file is oil. You want to ruin a file really quickly? Dip it in oil. So take the time, if you can, if you're in the field, this isn't always possible, and wipe the teeth down on your chainsaw chain, just to get what you can off of it so it's not dripping with oil. You won't get it all off, but this will help. There we go. It only takes a minute to do. Now I'm gonna mark my starting position. Now when you use a brand new file, the first time you run it through, it may feel a bit crunchy, like not going through smoothly. That's only because that knurl that is on your file has got little high spots and that type of thing. After a couple of strokes, that will go away and it will smooth out quite nicely. And then you should hear it sliding through with no difficulty. Now, if your file is worn out, when you push it across that tooth, it's going to feel very smooth. You're not going to feel that grabbing of the knurl from your file. When you get that, throw it out, replace your file. I always keep 2 or 3 spares around at least for my different saws because they are different sizes. Now a round file has got a lot of surface on it. So what I like to do as I'm filing is turn that file a little bit with each stroke. You get some nice even wear on your file that way. That's what you want to be aware of. Feel the file in your hand. Listen to the sound it makes. When the file is done, it's just going to slip over. You won't feel any grab from the file, and it will sound quite different as well. So I hope that helps a little bit. Remember, don't use an old file. Once it starts slipping, throw it away. You're just wasting your time. All right, let's get back to work, get the saw ready to go, and we're going to head back down and see how it cuts.
In that night, playing it cool, but I never got it right. Baby, cut yourself loose. I was mesmerized by your eyes. You keep me up every night. You keep me up every night. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone, now that you're gone.